Pandas DataFrame, reading data from files of different formats such as comma-separated values or CSV, tab-separated values of TSV, pipe-separated values or PSV, fixed-width files or FWF, Excel, XML, JSON, Pickle, Parquet, etc. So, let's begin. Here is a CSV file named emp_db.csv. The file has a header line and few lines containing records of employees. We want to read this file in a Pandas DataFrame. First of all, let's import the Pandas module. We may use the pandas.read_csv function to load a CSV file as a Pandas DataFrame. Just pass the CSV file location as an argument to the read_csv function and it's done. Let's display the DataFrame df. Read_csv is the function that reads the emp_db.csv file. Let's run the code in a terminal and check the result. And here is the output. As we can see, the read_csv function has successfully read the emp_db.csv file and created the DataFrame df. These are the individual rows of the DataFrame. It has created the row indexes on its own and it is a zero-based range of integers. The column labels are created as per the header of the CSV file. If we wish, we may set the row index by passing the index_call argument to the read_csv function as shown here. Here, we are setting the emp ID as the index. As we can see, the emp ID column has now become the index of rows. Please note that the read_csv function accepts many other arguments. We will discuss about those parameters in a separate lesson elaborately. In this lesson we will learn various ways of reading files of different formats for creating data frames. We may use the read_csv function for reading tab-separated values, pipe-separated values or values separated by any other character such as hash, $, tilde, etc. Now let's use the read_csv function for reading a file with tab-separated values. For this, we need to pass the sep argument to the read_csv function. Here the file name is emp_db.tsv and the separator is the tab symbol. And here is the content of the emp_db.tsv file. Here the column values are separated by tab character. We are again using the same read_csv function but mentioning the separator argument. The default sep argument is the comma character. That is, by explicitly mentioning the separator value, we can read files with many other separator characters. Let's run the code again in our terminal and check the result. As we can see, the read_csv function has created the DataFrame df from the emp_db.tsv file successfully. Now we will use the read_csv function for reading a file with pipe separator. Here is the contents of the file and the file name is emp_db.psv. Let's change the file name to emp_db.psv and the sep argument to the pipe character. Now run the code again and check the result. As we can see, the read_csv function has created the DataFrame df from the emp_db.psv file successfully. Now let's move to our next function read_FWF. FWF stands for fixed width file. In such a format, the columns are of fixed width, a particular column takes a certain number of characters, and the length is the same in all the rows. This is true for all the columns. The read_FWF function is used for reading such files. Let's change the function name and the file name. Now let's run the revised code again and check the result. As we can see, it is working fine. Here, our data file is in XML format. We want to read this file in Pandas DataFrame. We can use the read_XML function for reading an XML file and creating a data frame. So, let's modify our code with read_XML function and the file name as emp_db.xml. Let's run the code and check the result. And yes, it is all right. We have successfully created a Pandas data frame using the rem_XML function. Our next file format is JSON or JavaScript Object Notation. Here is the contents of the emp_db.json file. For reading a JSON file, we can use the read_JSON function as shown here. The data file name is emp_db.json. Let's run the code and check the result. And yes, it is all right. We have successfully created a Pandas data frame using the rem_JSON function. Here, our data file is in MS Excel format. Let's view the contents of the Excel file. The Excel file contains the same records as our previous files. The only difference is that it is in MS Excel format. Pandas provides another function read_Excel for reading data from MS Excel files. Let's change the code with this function and new data file emp_db.xlsx. Read_Excel function has an optional dependency OpenPixel. As this module is missing in our system, we are getting this error, missing optional dependency OpenPixel. Let's install it using pip. Now OpenPixel is available in our system. Let's run the code again. And, yes, it's working fine. We have successfully read the Excel file emp_db.xlsx and created the data frame df. Our next file format is Python Pickle. The contents of the Pickle file emp_db.pickle is shown on the screen. We wish to read this file for creating a Pandas data frame. We can do this using the Pandas read_Pickle function. So, let's change the function and the data file name. Now execute the modified code again. As we can see, it's working fine. Our next file format is Parquet. The contents of the Parquet file emp_db.parquet is shown on the screen. We wish to read this file for creating a Pandas data frame. We can do this using the pandas read_parquet function. So, let's change the function and the data file name. Now execute the modified code again, and yes, it's working fine. So, we have learned how to create Pandas data frame using CSV, TSV, PSV, FWF, XLSX, XML, JSON, Pickle, and Parquet file formats. Pandas also provide many other functions for reading data from other standard file formats. Few such important functions are listed here. If you have data in any of these formats, you may also use these functions for creating Pandas data frame. If you have any query, please write me in the comment section. This is all for today's lesson. We have learned how to create Pandas data frames using data from various file formats such as CSV, Excel, XML, JSON, Pickle, Parquet, etc. In our next lessons, we will also learn how to create Pandas data frame from different databases such as MySQL, SQLite, etc. We will also learn how to save the Pandas data frames into various file formats such as CSV, TSV, XML, JSON, Excel, Pickle, Parquet, etc. See you in our next lessons. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel for more such useful lessons. Happy coding. Bye.